Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa Maria. Today I have a very short, easy, simple tutorial and we're going to learn how to make a adjustable strap here. In my previous YouTube video I had a tutorial on how to make this cute bag here, as you can see, and it was an adjustable strap. So again, today is going to be a very simple project to make. And let's get started on this project. For this tutorial, you're going to be needing a few supplies and materials. So the material you're going to be needing is a webbing. And this webbing is 1 inch. And the length of it is about 44 1/8 inches long. And you'll be needing 2 of these swivel hooks. They're 1 inches. And you'll be needing just 1 buckle adjuster, and this for this tutorial. What you're going to be doing is you're going to take one of the ends and you're going to take one of the buckles. So this is here, as you can see here, hopefully in the camera, this is the back side and this is the front side, because see how smooth it is, and the other side you see how you see these little metal piece here folded here. So that's the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one end, put it through here, as you can see, and then slide it back in here in this other end. Okay, so once you have done that, this is what it looks like at the end. I am going to fold a small piece here. Okay, and as I fold that, I'm gonna lay it flat over here. Okay, again, like you see, just one fold and just lay it flat. Okay, and it will look like this. So once that is done, we are going to take it to the sewing machine and then we are going to stitch across. You could stitch making like a box shape, whatever works for you. And let's go to the sewing machine. We're here at the sewing machine. I'm going to be using a white thread so you can see the stitches. Of course, you're going to be using a black thread so it blends in with the black webbing. So I'm going to start, and make sure when you are stitching something this thick, make sure that you change your stitch length. Okay, so now I'm going to start to stitch. And then back stitch. I'm stitching about 4 times going across, as you can see, to secure the webbing together. So this is what it looks like when you finish stitching. As I mentioned, I stitched several times across to secure the webbing together. As you can see, is sandwiched together. So let's move on to the next step. So as you can see, we finished. This is what it looks like. Let me turn it over. Now I'm going to lay it flat, and then I'm just going to pull everything straight. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm going to take one of the swivel hook, place it through, make sure that it is facing up. Okay, so once that is facing up, then I'm going to turn it over. Okay, making sure that that is in the right side. Okay, and then I'm going to take one end over here, make sure everything is laid flat, straight. And then I'm going to do is make sure this is up, and I'm going to put it right through. And then again, I'm going to place it right through here at this end now. Pass it through. And as you can see, this is what it should look like when you're passing it through the buckle. So it makes it easier for you to adjust. So this is what it should look like. So now I'm going to take my other swivel hook And I'm gonna make sure that is facing up, passing it through, okay? And then when I pass it through, I'm gonna do the same thing. I am going to fold this in and then fold it around because I want to make sure that it looks is even. I think okay. So like I said, I'm gonna fold this here on this end and then fold it again. And then once I do that, then I'm going to again top stitch here across several times to secure the webbing. So let's go to the sewing machine. Now we're back to the sewing machine, and again we are going to stitch across. And now we are finished stitching across and securing the webbing. So you can see we finished stitching this end here, and this is what it looks like. So this is a very simple tutorial on how to make a adjustable strap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make an adjustable strap. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and your family. And also, if you are not a subscriber to my channel, click on the subscribe button. And also you could click on the bell. So when you click on the bell, YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. And also in the description box below, I list the materials you're going to be needing. And also I provided a link where you can purchase the materials. So again, this is a very simple project that we worked on today. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.